Hey you! Let me show you how to enable or disable Assistant menu on this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get started. To see the Assistant menu, we need to open Settings and choose Accessibility tab. Great. After this, go in the Interaction and Dexterity section, and now you can see Assistant menu option. So you'll be able to easily reach buttons that let you replace hotkeys, gestures, and other common interactions. To enable it, just tap on the switcher and allow this menu to have full control of your phone. And after this, you'll see this floating icon which you can drag anywhere across the screen. And if we tap on this section, we can change some settings. For example, we can select Assistant menu items. So, to add menu settings, we just need to tap on this plus, and now it is added to our main items. And also, we can enable Assistant menu shortcut and just change the transparency. So if you tap on the plus, it will be almost invisible. And if you tap on the minus, it will go back to normal. You can also enable to show as edge icon, and you would need to swipe left from the edge to trigger it, but it's not so comfortable, so let's just stick to this regular option. And that's it. Now to use it, just simply tap it, and here is your menu. So to go to the home page, you will need to tap on this option, and here it is. Just swipe left to see all of the options or use these arrows. To disable it, simply go back in the settings and tap on the switcher once more and then select to turn off. So that was all for now. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.